Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make super easy and homemade lemon honey tea. So this ingredient is very simple and you will find in your kitchen very easily. And let's get started how to make, and I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. So first I'm going to wash all the lemon. And I'm going to peel the ginger skin also. Okay, now I'm going to slice the lemon. I'm gonna take out the juice. Okay, now I already removed the all juice. So now I'm going to put here. So half lemon I'm going to use with skin. So half I'm going to use only juice. So I'm going to stand the all C. So we don't need C. So total I use lemon, 10 lemon I use, and ginger I use 300 gram ginger. So now I'm gonna add all ingredient. So next I'm gonna add the orange. The orange is optionally. This is optional. If you like, you can add. If you don't like, you can skip. Now I'm gonna transfer in big pot. Easy to mix. Half tablespoon turmeric powder. Don't add too much. And 1 cup honey. Okay, now I already add the all ingredient. Now I'm going to mix. The ingredient is very simple. 1 cup honey and some lemon juice and ginger. Now mix very properly. You can store any container as you have. So I'm gonna put here. Okay, now guys, my base is ready. I have to add just a little bit ginger. When you want to drink, add just a little bit. And remember, when you add the ginger, always mix it well and take it out like this much. It's very simple. Now next we need to add hot water. Oops. And this is my ginger tea. It's ready. Okay, and this is you can keep in fridge for 1 month, so you can drink anytime as you want. So if you feel little less the sugar, so sweetness, so you can add just little bit honey also, or you can go with little tea pack also. If you want more little dark color, then you can go with that. But for me, it's simply usually I drink like this. And I will recommend you, if you are never tried this style, you should be try. Even this is no side effect, and especially winter time you should be drink this ginger lemon honey tea. It's very good for health also. When you feel to catch the cold, you should be drink like this. So it's good for health. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoy my ginger lemon honey tea. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you in next video. Bye bye.